Okay. Now, recommendations and attribution. I can say that I am, the best at certain things, but it doesn't have the context of coming from somebody else. So here is an example, somebody that wrote in his experience section where he had attribution. Notice what it says. My supervisors say that I am innovative, visionary, persistent, and dedicated to process improvement and objective completion. He would also say, all these lovely terms. If my friend Gil would say, I'm an analytical, adaptive, and flexible changing environments, you might believe that. But if you hear it from people that are his boss saying that, and you actually see that in the recommendation that somebody gives you, then you're more apt to believe that. So you may be Superman, but unless you're getting an attribute, some sort of attribution from Jimmy Olsen or something like that, it doesn't have the context or the believability.
Hey, remember, you're now an Amazon product page. When you go buy products on Amazon, you are looking at the reviews and the ratings. While we don't have a 5-star thing on LinkedIn, we do have recommendations, which are the equivalent of an Amazon review. Before somebody chooses to hire you or somebody chooses to buy your product on Amazon, they're reading the reviews, they're reading the recommendations.
There's a beautiful thing about LinkedIn's. You get to approve every recommendation. Okay, so all you're going to get is nothing but 5-star reviews, but but
Absolutely.
they have to be in such a way that it makes it believable. You have to really talk about specific things.
Because people can know when they're fake. So please don't hire an Indian company to create a bunch of LinkedIn profiles to write reviews for you. Please don't.
Yeah, please do not do that. We'll see through that.